Did you know that 94% of employees would stay at a company longer if it invested in their learning and development? This striking statistic underscores the critical importance of innovative, engaging learning experiences in today's rapidly evolving workplace. Many organizations struggle with outdated learning approaches that fail to meet the needs of modern learners. Traditional, one-size-fits-all training programs often result in low engagement, poor knowledge retention, and a failure to translate learning into on-the-job performance. This leads to wasted resources, skills gaps, and an inability to keep pace with rapidly changing industry demands. At the personal level, employees often feel frustrated by irrelevant or ineffective learning experiences. They may struggle to find time for development, fail to see the immediate application of their learning, or feel overwhelmed by information overload. This can result in disengagement, reduced productivity, and a sense of being left behind in their rapidly evolving fields. This forward-thinking course addresses these challenges by providing a comprehensive framework for re-engineering the learning experience. It equips learning and development professionals with cutting-edge strategies, technologies, and methodologies to create engaging, personalized, and impactful learning journeys. The benefits of this training are extensive. Participants will learn how to leverage emerging technologies like AI and VR in learning, design adaptive learning paths, and implement micro-learning strategies for just-in-time skill development. They'll gain skills in creating immersive, experiential learning environments, fostering collaborative learning communities, and using data analytics to continuously improve learning outcomes. After implementing the strategies learned in this course, organizations typically see a significant transformation in their learning culture. They experience increased employee engagement in development activities, improved knowledge retention and application, and enhanced ability to quickly upskill or reskill their workforce. This leads to greater innovation, improved adaptability to market changes, and a stronger competitive position through a highly skilled workforce. On a personal and team level, learning professionals who complete this course often report a renewed passion for their field and an expanded vision of what's possible in corporate learning. They become catalysts for change, capable of driving learning innovations that directly impact business performance. Teams led by these forward-thinking professionals tend to be more creative, agile, and effective in meeting the diverse learning needs of modern organizations. Don't let outdated learning approaches hold your organization back in the fast-paced digital era. Invest in the future of your learning function by enrolling in this groundbreaking course today. Elevate your capabilities, transform your organization's approach to learning and development, and become a key driver of workforce agility and innovation. Your journey to becoming a pioneer in the future of learning starts here. Take the first step towards re-engineering learning experiences that will propel your organization into the future of work.